Hello, Lily.
Hello.
Hi, can you hear me nicely?
Yes, but I can't see you.
Really? I can see you and I can hear you. You can only hear me?
Right?
What can you see on your screen? Nothing.
Wait. Ah. Us.
Can see me?
Wait.
Can see me now?
Can you see this
Yeah,
white thing?
yes.
Okay.
What can you see?
I can see a blue thing.
A blue thing. What does that blue thing say? Is there...
No, the screen.
Oh, is it just blue?
Ah.
Can you see the zoom at the bottom of the computer?
Yes.
Can you click, if you click on that zoom icon, what happens?
Yes. Oh, here.
Did you find me?
Yes.
Can you see me?
Yes.
Oh, good. Can you say, now I can see you?
Now I can see you.
I found your video.
I found your video.
All right, good. Lily, how was your first day back at school today?
Good.
What was good about the first day back?
The white elephants.
I think all the students loved the white elephant. I was helping G1 and G2. They also had a market day. Did you have a market day, G3?
No.
Oh. So how was your white elephant? What did you get?
This. I have now.
Okay, that looks like a
I
big
can.
can. A big... Oh, is that a telephone on top?
Wait.
What can that do? It's very loud. Okay, so each button makes a different sound?
No, I have like
Wait, there's something
a
inside.
piggy bank.
Oh, a piggy bank. Oh, is that money? Oh, I see. Very cool. So now you can start saving. You can start saving your money. Oh, that's okay. You don't need to push the other buttons. Lily, are you going to start saving your money and putting it in the piggy bank?
Yes,
What are you going to save for?
for
Another trip to Thailand. Did you enjoy Thailand?
yes.
Oh, Lily, I think I had too much fun in Thailand. And because you and your mom came to Thailand too, it was very nice to see both of you there. What was your favorite part of the trip? What was your favorite part of Thailand? So many different things. The beach and Bangkok, Pattaya, fruit, massages. What was your favorite part?
Beaches.
The beach, swimming at the beach.
Yes, that's
Do you remember when we were swimming together?
yes.
We swam for a very long time. How long do you think we were swimming for? 30 minutes?
45 minutes.
Maybe it was more than 30 minutes, maybe about 45 minutes. I didn't know you are such a good swimmer. Yeah, you swim very well. Okay, so let's see. From you said your favorite was the beaches, but why? Why was that your favorite?
Because I like swim.
Swimming, massages on the beach, relax on the beach, have some lunch on the beach. What did you think of that salad? My favorite salad. Maybe you didn't like the salad. You didn't like it. You can be honest.
Yes.
Yes, you didn't like it.
Elizabeth.
Oh, okay. What's your favorite kind of salad?
Tomato.
Tomato and ah,
Apple.
apple. Tomato and apple? What salad is that? So, before I tried the somtam salad,
Sometimes.
my favorite was tomato, cucumber, and some lettuce and onion. That was my favorite salad. And then I tried the Thai salad and I really liked that one. Maybe you don't eat salad. Do you eat salad often in Korea?
No,
Not often. Can you say we don't eat salad often?
we don't eat salad often.
Okay. How was your lunch today? Did you have a nice lunch?
Yes.
What did you eat? I think it was
Meat.
meat. Was it duck meat?
Maybe.
Maybe. All right, Lily, let's see what we are looking at today. In today's class, something strange about this picture. What is strange? Something doesn't belong.
Cat.
What about the cat?
How can it is bigger than that?
Say again. How can?
The cat bigger is bigger than the dam?
How can the cat be bigger than the dam? That's right. The cat cannot be bigger than the dam. So, this is actually from a company. They made a calendar for the new year because now
Oh.
it's a new year. They made a calendar with some cute pictures. The company is Army Corps of Engineers. Now, engineering, they make dams and bridges, and they use cranes and other machines. And maybe it's not very interesting for some people. Do you think dams are interesting? Machines and cranes? Do you
Yes.
think those things are interesting?
Yes.
Oh, really? You like engineering? Can you say engineering is interesting?
Engineering is interesting.
What do people make using engineering? What do they construct?
Make
They build buildings, they build bridges.
a build SAS.
SIS is a building, yeah. They build dams. Now, in this calendar, Lily, can you help me read how the
How the Army Corps of Engineers made us love their 2023 calendar. They added giant cats and it's free
they added giant cats? Why do you think they did that? Why did they add giant cats to the
to
pictures
make cuter.
to make it cuter? Why is a dam not cute?
Yes.
Say no, a dam is not cute. Can you say for me? No, a dam is not cute.
Yes, the dam is not cute.
So that's a little bit different. In English, we say, no, it's not cute. In Korean language, you say, yes, it's not cute. But in English, we say, no, it's not cute. That's a little bit tricky. That's a little bit tricky. So can you say for me? No, it's not cute. No, the dam is
No,
not
it's
cute.
not. No, the dam is not cute.
So how did they make it more cute? They added a giant cat.
Giant cat.
But look at these cats. These next ones are not cute. They are still from the calendar, but they are not cute. What does it look like these cats are doing? Yeah. What does it look like they are doing?
Eating.
Eating. It looks like they are eating the machines. Maybe they are eating the rocks. Maybe they want to attack the rocks. Can you say for me? It looks like they are eating the machines.
They, it looks like The cats are eating the machine.
Good. Let's see the next picture of this calendar, Lily. Now, this is a cat on a building or on a structure. I think it is playing with the
Yeah,
crane. What do you think?
I think it's playing too.
Yeah, can you say what is it playing with? What is that?
Well,
What is this? Okay, the rope. This we call a crane. Engineers use cranes to help build things, to help lift
okay.
things very high, to help lift very heavy things. Can you tell me what does a crane help with construction? What do we use a crane for?
To go up.
To lift things.
Yeah,
Can you say for me? A crane lifts things.
the crane lifts things.
Okay, and what is this cat playing with? I think the cat is playing with a crane. Would you get this calendar? Do you think it's a nice calendar? Or the pictures at least? No, it's not good. Why not? Why you don't like it?
Because I have a cat.
Because you have a yeah, you have chocolate.
Chocolate is staring at me.
Is he maybe chocolate is staring at the pictures? He's looking at the cats, at the giant cats.
Mm,
Is he just staring at you? Here is the last one, the last picture
really? Oh yeah.
of the calendar. Now, what does this look like to you, Lily?
Cleaning the cat's bathroom.
Cleaning the cat's bathroom. So we call the cat's bathroom the litter box. The litter box.
Little bugs.
Not little, not small, litter.
Litter.
Yeah, litter.
Hash.
Litter box. Tell me, you have a cat. Do you have a litter box in your house?
Yes?
Good. And that's the cat's bathroom, right?
Yeah.
Good. Now here in this picture, this giant cat, is it bigger or smaller than the tree?
Bigger.
Can you make a sentence for me?
The cat is bigger than the tree.
Good.
Teacher, then it can be bigger than a person.
If it's bigger than the tree, maybe the people are this big. Let's draw Lily here. There is Lily. Small. Look how small Lily is, and look how big the cat is. What about Lily
It's
and the
very
tree? Who is bigger, Lily or the tree?
tree.
Oh, can you make a sentence for me?
The tree is bigger than Lily.
Good. The tree is bigger than Lily. Lily is smaller than the tree. Lily, do you like to climb trees?
Yes?
So there is Lily starting to climb the tree. She gets to the middle and then by accident she looks down. She looks down and it's too high. And then Lily says, "No, I cannot go any higher." But then the cat comes. This cat comes to the tree, and Lily gets even more scared. So she climbs even higher. But then Lily realizes the cat is not scary cat. It's actually a kind cat. And Lily jumps onto the cat and, and rides the cat. What do you think about this story, Lily?
Good.
Good. Can you tell me why did Lily climb the tree?
Because first time I was scared by the cat.
Yeah.
And I went, I climbed higher.
And then when you got to the middle, what did you do? You looked down. And what happened when you looked down?
I was scared.
Because it was too high. What happened next?
The cat come.
And then
And she realized that the cat was a kind cat.
she jumped on the cat and she rode the cat. Can you say for me? She jumped on the cat and she rode the cat.
She jumped on the cat and roots
Rode the cat. Why do we say rode? Because it's past
past
tense.
her.
Good. Did you get chocolate in your hands there? Let's see. Oh, he's loving those scratches. His eyes. He's looking directly at me. Oh, now he's sleeping.
Mm.
Okay, let's see the next one here, Lily.
Sure.
Right, this is a McDonald's restaurant. Do you like to eat McDonald's?
Yes.
What do you like to get from McDonald's? I like to get the Big Mac meal, the Big Mac burger with a Coca-Cola. What about
I
you?
like the burger and the potato fries.
French
Fried
fries?
potato. Yeah.
What about to drink?
I cannot drink sodas.
So, but maybe you can drink juice. What do you drink from McDonald's? They have everything there. They have tea, juice, water,
Juice.
juice. Lily, there was a
Yes.
very bad storm outside of this McDonald's. The storm had hail and
Storm?
rain. Storm. Do you know what is a storm?
Storm?
A storm, yeah. Bad weather.
Yeah.
Rain and wind. It was so bad that the McDonald's opened the doors for 24 hours. Why? Because they wanted to help people. They wanted to let people in so that they can be safe. They can stay in shelter. Can you read for me? McDonald's workers open.
McDonald's worker will open their restaurant as a 24-hour store shelter during
Blizzard.
blizzard in Northeast.
So a blizzard is the same as a storm. Now, Lily, is this a good thing or a bad thing that McDonald's did?
Bad thing.
Why? Why do you think it's a bad thing?
Because uh it is not safe.
That's a good point. It's not safe, but the people had nowhere to go. So McDonald's opened the doors and allowed people to come inside. It's safer than staying outside, don't you think?
Yes.
Can you say for me? Inside is safer than outside.
Inside is safer than in outside.
Yeah, and that's why I think McDonald's did a very nice thing, very kind thing to open the doors and allow people inside. You can even see the people at the far end there. They are sleeping in the McDonald's. Can you see over there? People sleeping.
Yes.
Right, and the last one for today. Here is a man, but he has some special shoes on, Lily. His shoes are called moonwalkers. They have wheels on them and they allow you to walk very fast. So you are walking, but it's like you are running. So, how do you think these shoes work? How can they make you go faster?
By the wheels.
By the wheels, exactly. They have wheels at the bottom. Would you like to have a pair of these shoes? Would you like to walk fast? Oh, bless you. What do you think? Would you
Yes.
wear them?
No.
Me too. I would not wear them. I would not wear them because I cannot balance. What about you?
Maybe I'll fall.
Hmm. You say, I will not wear them because maybe I can fall.
I'll now wear these shoes because I think I'll fall.
That's much better. Full sentences. Good. Lily, have you heard of the moonwalk, the dance?
No,
Oh, really? There is a very famous singer. He died. His name is Michael Jackson. Have you heard of
I
Michael Jackson?
know.
Did you see Michael Jackson dancing?
No,
No, he's a very good dancer. And he did the moonwalk dance.
I know it's go back.
Yes, exactly. Where you are stepping backwards and it looks like your feet are sliding. I cannot do that dance. I cannot show you.
I know who can do.
Who can do it?
I am going to ballet, right?
Yeah? Or someone from your ballet class?
There is a brother
A
that
older
who
friend
can that moonwalk.
who can do the moonwalk.
Who can do the moonwalk.
Oh, you must ask him to teach you, and then you can learn how to do it. You are a ballerina, so I think maybe you can learn it quickly. Right, Lily, let's quickly review. What are the three news articles that we discussed today?
First,
It was
it was
something about
about
a calendar.
oh army,
So a company, what about the company?
a company made a calendar with a giant cats
Why? Why did they put the giant cats on the calendar?
to make cute
But why? Why is it not cute already?
because like dams they are not cute.
Dams are not cute. Okay, good. Number two.
It was about McDonald's workers open for McDonald's workers open the restaurant for 24 hours because of the storm.
How can that help people?
By protecting,
Because if they go inside, they are safer than being outside. They are in shelter. They are protected from the thunder, from the rain, lightning, from the wind. They are protected inside. Okay, and the last one, Lily.
about the
Something to make you go faster.
uh, shoes,
What kind of shoes?
moonwalker shoes.
Moonwalker shoes. What is special about these shoes? What does it have that my shoes don't have and your shoes don't have right now?
There's a wheel that if I just wear them and walk, but we are running.
We are going the same speed as running. Yeah, so it's a little bit dangerous. We can crash, we can fall down. Right, Lily, good review. That's the end of today's class. What are you doing now after this class? What are you going to do now, Lily? Homework,
Uh,
dinner, sleep? Clean. Play.
Yes.
You love to play. Love to build a sandcastle. Love to swim. Oh, I see. You took your hair out. You took that colorful hair out. Or no, or is it still there? Oh, it's still there. Oh, there it is. Now I see. When are you going to take it out? How long will it stay
uh,
in there?
I'll cut my hair.
You're gonna cut it out. Okay. How long does it stay in there? How long would you keep it like that?
I'll
Maybe 2 weeks, three
cut my
weeks,
hair.
1 month. Oh, next
I'll
time you
cut
cut
my
your.
hair.
Uh-huh. Okay, good. I like your.
Maybe on Thursday
So soon.
or
Oh, I thought you will keep it in maybe
weekend.
3 weeks, 4 weeks.
But I have to. I'm too tired of doing
Uh-huh.
washing my hair.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, good. Lily, your outfit is very nice. Can you
Oh,
stand up? Show us your bow. Let's see the bow.
yes.
Yeah. It's like you are a present and someone will open the bow. All right, Lily, do you have any questions for teacher? At least one
Hey,
question.
boss.
Yes.
In the first news, they draw the cats.
Yes, they are not real cats. They use software. It's called Photoshop. And they take one photo of the cats and one photo of the dam and they put them together. They make the cat.
The real we takes a it takes a photo of real cats.
Yes, they are real cats. But they are not real giant. They are real
Oh,
small cats.
oh.
So when they take them to Photoshop, they just make them bigger.
Bigger.
Just expand the image. Good question. Why? Did you ever see a giant cat somewhere?
No.
No, I don't think they.
I saw the my mom's handphone.
On
In
the handphone, yeah.
somewhere a cashier wear uh dress up like a real cat. You know uh like a cat we
Like a
do,
mask.
and it was big and his eyes was this.
Oh, it must have been
They are
Halloween.
no, it was not in Halloween. It was just a normal day. Only her.
So why? What was she doing on this day?
She was just doing her work.
She was just doing her work in a cat uniform.
Yeah.
Maybe she wants to be a cat. Maybe for one day she wanted to live like a cat. Maybe she was walking with four on the floor. She was walking with her arms.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's strange. All right, Lily. Do you have any other questions? That was a good question.
Mm,
No other questions. If there's no other questions, Lily, I will see you again next time.
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow I'll see you at school. Have a nice evening.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, Lily.